Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm working on this 2021 Toyota Sienna. I'm changing all the airbags. Like you can see, they all low, all broken from the accident. I was trying to figure out how to remove the shifter nut, and kind of give me a little hard time because I was trying to figure out how to take it out. Finally, I find a way how to do it. So I just want to share with you guys in case one day you need to do the same job. So what happened here, right? It had the boot, so you just pop it down, and then what you need to do is right under there is a little plastic, I'm sorry, a metal clip is coming from the front side, from the, if you can see like this is the back side of the car, right? So this is the front to the car. So the clip is right here, a little plastic clip. If you have like a pointy tool, easy to take it out. Otherwise, I use my finger. I can feel it here. It's right here. You just pull it out. A clip like this. Make sure keep it on good place. And then you just pop it up. It's that simple. If you don't know how to do it, maybe it can give you a hard time, but it's very simple. All right, hope you guys like it and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.